go, folks. We are heading to the departure destination to head off on our Blue Hills Reservation camping / hiking trip. So we are headed to the T to grab a commuter train to head out to the campsite. So interesting way to get there. Pretty excited about it. Haven't used this method to get to a campsite before, so pretty excited about it. I'm going to take you along the way. So we've made it the first leg. Now we got to catch a bus to get to the campsite. Hey everybody, so just wanted to bring you down to the lake here. As you can see, it's a pretty big lake. Looks like you can swim, they just don't want you to do any jumping here. But yeah, been a good morning. We're gonna finish up eating some breakfast, and then we're gonna go for 2 short hikes in the Blue Hills Reservation area, likely around this area. You see some of the cabins right there that we are staying near. Had a good morning, decent sleep, but we are going to finish up our coffee and our breakfast and head out to do 2 short hikes here in the Blue Hills Reservation, and I'll take you along the way. Just wanted to show you this lake first. So we'll head up, getting geared up for the hike and head out for an adventure. Fiona, how's your trip been going so far?
Good, it's cold.
Yeah? What would you say the temperature is today?
50s?
Yeah? We're on a lake, so maybe it's that lake breeze, perhaps.
Perhaps.
Good coffee, good breakfast?
The coffee was excellent, breakfast was excellent.
Yeah, all
High
right.
reviews.
Great.
Well supplied here.
Well supplied, I will back that up. All right. We made it to the lookout tower.
Yeah, probably the tower.
So we made it up here to the top of the Blue Hills, and we've just had a great lunch. We're gonna start putting our gear together and heading down, but so far so good. Great view from up here. Tried to capture that in photos, but I hope you can see it here in the video. But it's a great trip so far, and day's about half over. We did a nice long hike up, and then we'll do the nice long hike down, but we're gonna stop by the Natural Museum that's here as well. So stay tuned. We're here at the Trailside Museum, and where they have a ton of animals, some alive, some that are stuffed, but really cool exhibits to see, and really familiarizes you with the local animals and wildlife that live in this area. So really grateful for this opportunity to see all these wild animals. Wouldn't you say, Fee?
Yeah, but there's an otter.
There's an otter. Oh yeah, he's in this. It's difficult to see, but
Where I would be there. It's so far.
he's in the log there. So we worked our way down from the top of Blue Hills to the museum, and we're just spending about an hour walking around. We're going to listen to a speaker talk about the museum a little bit and exhibits here. But so far it has not rained. It has held out. and we're enjoying the day and just getting some exercise. So far so great.
We're commonly found at Logan Airport. That's so funny. Where there's abundant food source and the landscape resembles the flat Arctic tundra. Hello!
Outside. It's really not at all. These guys can blend in so well with their surroundings that they're almost invisible. And what they'll do,
That's cold, but it's comfortable. Good morning. It's our last day, Sunday, here at the Blue Hills Reservation. We've woken up to a rainy morning, but it is just only spitting on us, so that's kind of great. It's not a downpour. Slept really hard last night, some wacky dreams. But we're going to go over, get some breakfast, and start packing up to head back. So I'll take you along. Got me a trusty cup of coffee and a good breakfast, and now we're going to pack up, and then we'll take a short hike around the lake, and we're going to be leaving after that. But yeah, rain's starting to taper off a little bit. How was your night?
It was good, much better than last night, or the night before.
All right. Heading up for breakfast. We're finishing up the last home stretch, which is, hope you liked the video. If you did, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, leave a comment, all those great things. Let me know if you like this video or any suggestions. Until next time, safe travels.